High wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage. This is a statement for the following counties in Indiana: Adams, Allen, Blackford, DeKalb, Elkhart, Fulton, Grant, Huntington, Jay, Kosciuszko, LaPorte, LaGrange, Marshall, Noble, Pulaski, St. Joseph, Stark, Steuben, Wabash, Wells, and Whitley, and the following counties in Michigan: Berrien, Branch, Cass, Hillsdale, and St. Joseph, and the following counties in Ohio: Defiance, Fulton, Henry, Paulding, Van Wert, and Williams. High wind warning in effect from 1 a.m. or midnight Central Standard Time to 10 p.m. or 9 p.m. Central Standard Time Thursday. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued high wind warning, which is in effect from 1 a.m. or midnight Central Standard Time to 10 p.m. or 9 p.m. Central Standard Time Thursday. The high wind watch is no longer in effect. Hazardous weather timing: southwest wind will increase ahead of a strong cold front late tonight and switch to the westerly Thursday morning. Intense westerly wind will continue into Thursday evening, before abating somewhat overnight. Wind, 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts to 45 miles per hour late tonight. Scattered wind gusts around 60 miles per hour will be possible with showers late tonight. Wind will then increase to 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts of 60 miles per hour during the day Thursday. Impacts: wind speeds of this magnitude will be hazardous to high-profile vehicles on north-south roadways. In addition, tree and power line damage is likely, especially Thursday. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage.
Open waters forecast for the following: Lake Michigan.